शार्क टँक आणि ज्यांनी शार्क टँकमधून ज्यांनी फेम भेटला तिथून फंड रेस केले असे रिवॅम्प ऑटो कंपनीचे सर ओनर आहे. इलेक्ट्रिक व्हेकल स्पेसमध्ये आज B2B मार्केटला टार्गेट करताय. इलेक्ट्रिक व्हेकल हा खूप मोठा आज बूम होतोय आणि स्पेसिफिकली त्याच्यामध्ये B2B जो सेगमेंट आहे म्हणजे मग ई-कॉमर्स असेल त्या सेगमेंटला किंवा जे डिलिव्हरी रिलेटेड आहे त्याचे रिलेटेड त्या सेगमेंटला त्यांचे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत. जयेश सरांनी 2019मध्ये या कंपनीची स्टार्ट केली आणि आज विदिन 3 इयर्स 2022मध्ये आज सरांच्या कंपनीचं व्हॅल्युएशन आहे 300 crores. सो एकदम या स्पेसमध्ये खूप इमर्ज आहे, खूप फास्ट मार्केट आहे आणि आपण सरांची जर्नी ऐकू. शार्क टँक सगळ्यांनी बघितलं. शार्क टँक किती लोकांनी बघितलं? येस, वाव. सो सगळे लोक ऑलरेडी ओळखतच असा जयेश सरांना. नाशिकची शान आहे. या शार्क टँकमध्ये सरांनी खूप फेम केलं आहे. सो जयेश सर, आता तुमची जर्नी सांगा, कशी तुम्ही रिवॅम्पची स्टार्ट केली आणि सगळ्यांना शार्क टँकबद्दल पण उत्सुकता आहे कारण त्यांच्या पण आयडियाज पुढे त्यांना प्रेझेंट करायचे शार्क टँकमध्ये. सो ते पण ते प्रोसेस सांगा. सो ओव्हर टू जयेश.
So my intention behind this session would be to get you through the journey that Revamp Moto has been through and specifically माझी personal journey कशी start झाली. So I guess through lot of sessions it has been the answer की यार पैसे लागत नाही and anyone from the middle class can do it. So is my story. So I guess I will just take you through the story of mine as well as Revamp Moto and later on take you to the Shark Tank India process, journey, तिथे कसं आहे, what happened after Shark Tank. बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आहेत. I guess lot of people don't know की actually Shark Tank मध्ये काय झालं, त्याच्यानंतर काय झालं. So I will share all of that. Before that, I guess I have a video. I guess if some of them have not seen Shark Tank, we just have a 1 minute.
मोटर नासिक का एक EV स्टार्टअप पेश कर रहे हैं 2 शानदार EV मॉडल. आप शार्क से क्या चाहते हो? You guys have already the experience that we don't have in building brand. और आज हम यहाँ 1% इक्विटी के अगेंस्ट 1 करोड़ रुपए मांग रहे हैं. मैं इसकी गेमिंग चेंज कर दूँ. मैं आपको 1.2 करोड़ दूंगा. ओके. मेरे को 2.5% इक्विटी. 1.5% का मैच करता हूँ. वो 2 शार्क के साथ. 1 करोड़ 7%.
आपको बाहर जाके डिस्कस करना है.
अमन एंड अनुपम मीटिंग.
So the intention behind showing this video is कि a lot of people think कि startups are just possible in Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune किंवा दिल्ली, नोएडा, गुड़गांव, खूप हाय-फाय cities मध्ये possible है. But very proudly saying this is one of the startup completely designed, developed, team made in Nasik. I will say not India. Even sitting in Nasik, currently Revamp has reached $1 million, is in the funding round of $5 million, sitting at a valuation of more than 200 crores, I will say exactly. Figure I won't able to reveal, but sitting in Nasik we are doing this, so it's possible in Nasik. असं काहीच नाही की you need to go to Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, तिकडेच possible आहे. Business करणं खूप difficult आहे. I too come from a middle class background. So I will take you through the journey of mine actually, where did it started. Can you go to the next? Next. Yeah. So, hi, Bola Chehra. This is my 10th standard photo. This is so starting from my personal journey. Again, a school topper. But school topper करत असताना बाकीचेही बरेचसे मी activities करायचो. That is one of my personality. So this is Jayesh Tope in 10th standard who was a topper, just going behind the rat race. की फर्स्ट यायचं आहे, फर्स्ट आलो. IIT मागे पडायचं आहे, IITच्या मागे पडलो. Later on I started to know की exactly the life is different. And the rat race that we see sitting in Nasik is something different. So if you know this competition named the Supra competition, I guess how many of you are engineers? First of all, I would like to ask. And how many of you are mechanical engineers? As expected. So yeah, 11th, 12th, I started off with the JEE Advanced journey. Again, going into the rat race of going into IIT Bombay. So for that, आमचे 11th, 12th मध्ये classes वाले खूप हुशार होते. So what they used to do is, they used to take a bus, take us to the IIT Bombay Tech Fest, show what IIT Bombay is, then you will feel ki no, I want to come over here. So when I went over there, I didn't saw the college, but I saw this vehicle. So this vehicle was an electric Supra car meant for student competition, which can go up to a speed of 250 kmph on an electric battery or powertrain. Back in, I guess, 2015. So imagine in 2015, जब Tesla बद्दल बोला जाता तो students sitting in India were also doing these vehicles, but they weren't able to commercialize these projects. That was a major problem there in India. If you see this photo, carefully watch it. So एक उसाचा गाडीवाला आहे. He has wore that shirt and it's COEP written. आम्ही केव्हा गोलांसाठी COEP was like a dream or IIT Bombay was a dream. So I have missed COEP just by I guess 1 or 2 marks. So I always had a regret कि why I'm not there in COEP or IIT Bombay. And then I saw this just behind our like out of the gate of KKW that COEP wala is doing a business of usacha ras. And that gave me somewhat an intention ki see for your particular business, your personal journey, background, education is not a constraint. Right now the market is so much open that you can do anything sitting in, even in at your home also you can do business worth crores. So that is what gave us intention ki see education is not a factor that for sure it is a cherry on the cake but not a mandatory factor or that will take you to the process. For example, yeah, we do know startups from IITians are like of huge number, but nevertheless people from tier 2, tier 3 cities are also building unicorns. So that is what we like gave me an inspiration ki even sitting in Nasik, I can do something very good. And जेव्हा मी IIT Bombay मध्ये जाऊन होतो शकलो, so I had an option either to stay in Nasik or go in Pune or Mumbai, get a college like I got a chance to go to VIT or COEP was a chance, but yeah, then I had an option whether to stay in Nasik or go into a college like Pune, Mumbai and explore that cities. But again, coming from a like middle class background, we know that the expenses over there are huge. We won't be able to do just apart from academics. But thanks to my brother who told me, if you want to do something, you do practical experiments, projects rather than just academics. त्याच्यासाठी लागणार पैसा. Now, thanks to my marks, I got TFW admission in KK so my fees is very less. Now, this is one of the merit scholarship that you get. And माझ्याकडे खूप सारा पैसा उरायचा. माझ्या घरच्यांना मी सांगितलं होतं की this money I will use to do for projects. मी याच्यात मौज मस्ती नाही करणार, but मी हे specific project साठी खूप use करेल. That is what I took the promise from them. And then the journey started. Now, in the first year, you can see students sitting in the classroom attending the classes like 8 or 9 hours of classes, and that on the right hand side and the bottom you can see a team of us like 8 to 10 members always sitting in the workshop doing practical stuff, building vehicles. That was my journey in the complete engineering days. So I never focused on just academics, but I gave a lot of importance on practical. That is one of the base for any particular stuff. If you want to start a business, you should have your base clear. For example, if you want to start a business in two-wheeler industry, you should know how to build a two-wheeler. That is where this journey started. So, पूर्ण 4 वर्षांचं cumulative माझं attendance बघितलं, it was just 15% per year, 4%, 4%, 4%. याच्यामुळे माझ्या घरच्यांकडे खूप कॉल जायचे, बट ते पण इग्नोर करून द्यायचे की ठीक आहे, याला मार्क्स पण भेटतात आणि प्रोजेक्ट्स पण करतोय, सो इट्स गुड. So that is how our journey started. Right from the first year, I got a good friends like they were also aiming the same. त्यांनाही IITs मध्ये जायचं होतं, but they didn't get a chance. So I joined with some team members who were also more focused on the practical stuff rather than academics. पहिल्या 6 महिन्यात आम्ही IIT Bombay Tech Fest मध्ये गेलो. We cracked like first in the competition of Combat Nautica, which is an event wherein you manufacture a board which can work on water as well as land. And there we cracked first rank, and competition was IIT Bombay, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, all these were guys in the competition and we stood first. Now that gave us a confidence ki see these guys are sitting over there, still we can crack the first competition. We have that knowledge, experience and experimental power that they do not have. So that's how the journey started. जसं प्रत्येकाला आशीर्वादाची गरज असते, हा आमच्याकडे बाबाजींचा आशीर्वाद होता. And we also used to do a lot of other stuff. So see, people do confuse ki how to enjoy the life. So yeah, academics was the base. So I used to get good pointers, but the major stuff was the other projects. But yes, we do enjoy our life right now as well. So see, this is a part of your life that we also used to do. Just wanted to show की असं काही नाही की फक्त इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये खूप अभ्यासच केलेला आहे, बाकीच्या पण बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी केलेल्या आहेत. This was our first vehicle that we built. The team name is Team Brahmastra and the vehicle name is Brahmastra 1.0. Now this vehicle was built by a team of 20-25 members, and this is like a Baha competition organized by Mahindra and Mahindra. It's like a pan-India level competition. 200 competitors, all the top colleges from India participate in this competition. We built that car first time. We just, in a very less, what I can say, sponsorship or money, just within 2 to 3 lakhs, we built this entire vehicle. And very fortunately enough, we got the first prize in all the competitions. Now, this started giving and boosting our confidence that if we are able to crack student competitions from all the good colleges as well, we can definitely build vehicles. So, we know that we have the knowledge of building vehicles, right? But the major problem was that there are a lot of teams building vehicles, but none of them commercialize these projects or whatever project they do in the final years of engineering. खूप मस्त आयडिया असतात बऱ्याचशा जणांकडे, लाईक लॉट ऑफ देम ऑल्सो कनेक्टेड राईट नाव एज वेल हू आर वर्किंग इन मल्टिपल सेगमेंट्स. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज द मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द स्टार्टअप और बिझनेस इज एक्झिक्युशन. फक्त डोक्यात विचार करत राहिला की हा मी करणार आहे, ते आयुष्यभर करतच राहणार तुम्ही. इट विल नेवर कम इन टू एक्झिक्युशन. एक्झिक्युशन इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग दॅट आय फील. So if you feel that I want to do this, start it from today itself, not tomorrow also. If you start it from today, then it will come into place like month or year or 2 years later. Revamp Moto journey started back in 2019, or I will say 2018, not right now. So दिसताना ते असं दिसतं की the startup is just 1 year back old or something like that, but no, the journey is 3 years old. That is what I want to say. So it is not at all a very easy journey to get into business or startup. But while going through this, you should have 2 supports in your life. One is your parents and second is your friends and family. माझ्याकडे 2 खूप मोठे सपोर्ट होते. One was my parents, माझे आई वडील, and second was my 2 very buddies who helped me in the entire journey of the Revamp Moto or the startup that I am building. हे एक असणं खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. हे कोणी सांगत नाही बिझनेस स्टार्ट करण्याच्या वेळेस. इफ यू हॅव दिस 2 मॉरल सपोर्ट्स बाय यू, for sure your startup is going to be successful. Everyone know this vehicle, right? So basically the journey of Revamp Moto started from here. So second year of engineering, I started with the Baha vehicle, built the automotive terrain vehicles, got first prize over there. मग Baha vehicles 2 वर्ष बनवले, but got to know that we are still 5 years back. तिथे Elon Musk बसलेला आहे, टेस्ला गाड्या बनवतो, तो विकतो आहे. We are sitting over here and playing on the petrol and diesel engines. Why? So the question arose was in the 4th year of engineering, why can't we build electric vehicles? Now for sure getting into 4-wheelers is difficult for just a startup or a project purpose, but getting into 2-wheeler is somewhere bit that we can crack because we have already built vehicles before. And that is where the inspiration came, first from the Tesla, Elon Musk, and from India as well. You know the popularly known Ather bikes or Top Motors, right? So Ather guys, if you see, the same journey that they had is coming from an automotive student competitions. They took the project into commercialization and they have their vehicles on the road. Similar was the case with us, that we too are building the vehicles, why not take into the roads? So that is where the startup journey and the startup kida went into the mind. That was in the 4th year. When I switched between 3 stuffs. First of all, IIT मध्ये जायचं स्वप्न होतं. सो घरच्यांना पण वाटायचं IIT बॉम्बेमध्ये जावं. गेटचा क्लास लावला अँड गेटचा क्लास मी 10 दिवस केला, सोडून दिला. देन ते भूत चढायला लागला की ऑल ऑफ द पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर मास्टर्स. UK, जर्मनी, USA, बफेलो, टेक्सास, खूप मोठे मोठे नावं ऐकायला लागले. आय ऑल्सो गॉट इन टू द सेम ट्रॅप. Prepared for the A1, A2 level of German. Was about to go for Germany and then decided कि नहीं, what you will be doing over there something extraordinary, nothing. It is the same, you will go for masters, get a good job, stay there for 5-10 years, come back and again do a job. Are you doing something extraordinary over there? No. If I wanted to do that, I can do it in Nasik, I can do it in India. That is what I decided, and I got a very good partner with me. His name is like Pankaj. Right now he is working in Simple Energy. So that he and I decided that no, let's do something different. Let's create an electric motorcycle, one of its kind in India, and like people will be shocked to see such vehicle in the Indian market. आता हे खूप inspirational वाटेल, पण मी त्याच्या पुढची पण story सांगतो. So started the first company called Nikola Motors back in 2018 or 2017. Nikola coming from the name Nikola Tesla. Tesla घेतलेलं होतं आम्ही Nikola घेऊन टाकलं. So started with the first company. This was our nights, how we built that first electric motorcycle. आम्ही रात्रीच्या 12-2 वाजेपर्यंत कॉलेजलाच राहायचो. Our college was very supportive enough that you stay overnight, but you build a vehicles, you do something good. We will sponsor you as well. आणि आमच्या घरचे सपोर्टिव्ह होते की तू रात्री लेट जरी आला तरी दरवाजा उघडा, येऊन झोपून घे. So this used to be our journey. On the contrary, that people used to enjoy the academics, cultural events, all this stuff. We 8 to 10 guys were like, no, we want to build something very unique, very inspiring in India. So this used to be our journey. And the first impression of it was this vehicles, starting from electric cycle, electric scooter, electric trike. असे projects आम्ही 4th year मध्ये reflect करणं चालू केलं. But got to know this is not what the market is expecting, right? Then we built this first electric motorcycle named Nikola 1.0. If I say the specs, you will be even shocked right now. This vehicle can be charged within 12 minutes, has a top speed of 100 kmph, and has a range of 120 kilometers on a single charge. Now this vehicle was built back in 2019. One of its kind in India. Even right now there is as such no vehicle which can be charged within 10 or 12 minutes. But what was the problem? But again, everything has some problem in it. आता आम्हाला वाटलं की अरे प्रोडक्ट तो खूप चांगला आहे, चला लेट्स गेट फॉर अ स्टार्टअप जर्नी. आम्ही गेलो, उड्या मारायला लागलो, अँड वी वेंट अँड आस्क्ड फॉर 12 crores इन जस्ट फर्स्ट सिंगल राउंड. आम्हाला माहीत नव्हतं. वी जस्ट यूज टू हिअर न्यूज ऑफ $1 million, $2 million फंड रेसिंग. I guess Harsh can tell you that there are like big news coming in of millions of dollars coming into the EVs. The same was there. So we thought yes, $1.5 million. आम्ही एवढे पैसे इथे लावू आणि business start होणार. But what happened? But the thing happened is we went to the Maharashtra Startup Week. So as said by I guess Lalitji, there are a lot of programs from government of Indian government from Maharashtra wherein you can start the entrepreneur journey. One of them was Maharashtra Startup Week in 2018-19, wherein we participated in it. We got selected in the district level. We were selected for the final rounds in Nagpur. We went over there. We pitched the idea to them, and they told कि अरे ही गाड़ी चालणारच नाही है. How can you make such vehicles? Tata Mahindra is not able to do it. How are you doing? There are the bikes lying in the market. ज्यांची 50-60 किलोमीटरच्या वरती तर रेंज पण नाही आणि तू कसं काय 100 किलोमीटरची रेंज म्हणू शकतो. नो दिस इज शिट. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क इन द मार्केट. आम्ही तिथे थोडं डिमोटिवेट झालो. देन वी वेंट टू द IIT Bombay E-Summit. So IIT Bombay E-Summit is one of its kind event in India wherein like a lot of entrepreneurs come over there, even good founders come over there for speaker session, and you have some investor network over there. We went over there and we asked like 12 crores पाहिजे. This is a seed round of valuation. 100 crores आमचा valuation आहे, आमचा product आहे. And this is our team. He's like, what is your background? We told 4th year mechanical engineers. He was like, seriously? He was like, तुम्हाला काही background आहे का गाड्या build करण्याचा? Are you expert in it? Do you have any automotive background in place? Then we realized कि building a bike is not at all that easy. This vehicle, if I tell you that this charges within 12 minutes, but you have to pay 4 lakh rupees for it, none of you is going to pay 4 lakh rupees just for 12 minutes of charging. Now that was the problem of this technology and this product. So we decided that let's come back foot. Let's see it on the whiteboard. What is exactly going to work in the market, and then go into the startup journey. And meanwhile also take a automotive experience. So I and Pankaj, we very specifically chose Mahindra. Just gave one interview, got selected. The location was Nasik. Beautiful for us because the journey was like Sakali Mahindra, Sandhyakali college. अशी आमची जर्नी होती in our college days, in our job days as well. Monday to Friday, Saturday Mahindra, Saturday, Sunday, 12 hours college. We used to build the vehicles. That used to be our journey in the job days as well. We started iterating कि काय बनवू शकतो. as said by I guess Om Prakash ji, we started with retrofitting. In the retrofitting, if you see in the electric vehicle space, it is most affordable for the person who is using it to tremendous extent. So let's say he is using 400 kilometers daily. One of them was the rickshaw guy. So rickshaw guys use it for at least 100 to 150 kilometers every day, and he spends 500 rupees on petrol every day. We saw that market, that we can tap this market. I guess there is again a huge potential lying into the retrofitting business as well. I will just like to intimate it to everyone. But what happened at that point of time is we started building a retrofitting kit. We even retrofitted a rickshaw with an electric powertrain. But the problem was the cost. Cost was coming up to 60,000 rupees. 60 to 70,000 rupees for retrofitting. Now, what happens is in the market survey, you go and you tell की ही गाडी तुम्ही घेणार का? सगळे हो बोलतात. आत्ता पण विचारलं, रिवॅम्प मित्रा किती जण घेतात? सगळे हो म्हणणार. But if I tell you that give me 1,000 rupees of booking amount, no one will give. That is the harsh reality of the market. So we asked rickshaw guys, will you pay for this? They said, no, we have LPG kit of 15,000. ज्याच्यात मला फक्त 200 रुपये लागतात. Why should I buy a kit of 60,000 rupees? That was a problem there in 2019. त्याला certification नव्हतं, subsidies नव्हत्या. Then after retrofitting, we went into two-wheeler retrofitting, Splendor retrofit केली. No, that is again not a market. People say मला 60,000 नवीन Chinese vehicle येते, मी का retrofit करू 50,000? After that, we started folding scooter, micro mobility scooter. If you know micro mobility scooter in airports or intra-campus, it's a very huge business again lying in. People want. Then we went to the investor again. He said, "हे काय खेळणं बनवून ठेवलं? हे खेळणं कोणी विकत नाही घेणार. What are you doing exactly the value addition in this business?" Then we realized that a very critical thing of starting a startup is the product market fit and market research before exactly going into the market. So that is what we also thought, and we again said back. We decided that let's not get into the messy thing of urging up into going into the startup. So we started providing services, that is design services, to a lot of companies. So one of the project was for Lloyd Electronics. So we designed an entire rickshaw to them, and we sold it for like I guess 10 or 15 lakh rupees on a loyalty basis. Now that was the first thing when we got to know that yes, we can execute the entire project. Again went to the IIT Bombay A Summit, and again we pitched some of the idea, but we failed very badly. At that point of time, I was like 6 months, 7 months of experience with Mahindra. It was December or January. That was a period of getting into the permanent thing of Mahindra, that you have to give an interview if you want to get a permanent job. My co-founder at that time particularly had a very weak financial condition at his home, so he couldn't take the startup ahead. But माझ्या अंगातला तो startup किडा काय जाणारा नव्हता. So what I decided is let's keep the electric vehicle space. It's very messy and tricky right now. Let's get into some another space which I am comfortable, and there is a market opportunity right now. And that was at the time of Corona period. It was agri-tech. So we started a company named Vegito Farms. So this is like Maharashtra startup big photo. This was the first meeting at Lloyd Group. He was the MD of Lloyd Group, and that is the photo in his cabin that we clicked over there. And then I started a company named Vegito Farms. Now, इथे दिसायला खूप छान दिसतंय. Poster is very good. It's like an agri-tech supply chain. ऐकायला खूप छान वाटतं. But what exactly it was? It was आम्ही शेतात जायचो. We used so खुडायचं माहिती आहे ना. We just pluck fruits and vegetables from the farms, pack it, and take our own vehicles and deliver it to the customers. That was a B2C business that we started in Corona period. And meanwhile, along with that, we also started to sell this product to B2B business. For example, Big Basket, Ninja Cart, Amazon. या सगळ्यांना पण विकणं चालू होतं. Within 3 months, we clocked a revenue of 40 lakh rupees. Just within 3 months, at zero capital from home. I guess माझे आई वडील इथे बसलेले आहेत. त्यांना विचारू शकता की घरून किती पैसे घेतले होते. It was 0 rupees. Taking the credit from farmer, selling it to the buyers. They paid around 5 days. आणि 5 दिवसानंतर फार्मरला द्यायचं. You get a 10 days of lead cycle. It was a zero capital business that we started. Clocked a revenue of 40 lakh rupees. Was going very good, but again a failure. And what was the failure? Any guess? Any guess from the audience? The problem was not at all the business model. The problem was the team. And most of the biggest problem in startup failure is team, funding, and some other product market fit. The major problem is the team. The team was not capable of getting the startup to a disruptive model. They wanted to get into the loop of just a traditional business, whereas I was more interested on the scalability part, wherein the failure was there and I shut off the business. Now that was a failure. So असंही बरंच होतं, when you start the startup, the team is very important who are there with you. It will be very good to know की हाँ चलो business start करते हैं, सगळे माझे मित्र घेऊ आणि business start करू. It is very difficult when it starts scaling. So my like thumb rule will be like 2 or 3 co-founder is at last max. Not a solo founder also, and not more than 3 founder is what I feel personally is a good choice. And that too people from various different backgrounds. ज्यांना माहिती आहे की startup काय आहे. That is very very important. So the failure was the team, not at all business model. We were about to clock a revenue of 1 crore rupees, but we shut off the business. Now at that time म्हणतात ना की एक दरवाजा बंद झाला की दुसरा दरवाजा नेहमी ओपन असतो. अँड कोइन्सिडेंटली आय गॉट इन टच विथ माय co-founders of Revamp, and we started like a company called Revamp Moto, and I got in touch with my co-founders, that is Pritesh and Pushkaraj, the gems of like Revamp Moto and the gems of my life. Now the background is like Pritesh comes from a business background, Pushkaraj is the hacker handling the technology, I am the guy who have seen the A to Z execution of the startup as well as automotive background. And we started the company called Revamp Moto. Ekdam funny story, it was 17th September, Pritesh, I and Pushkaraj met. Pritesh was like, ki, chala yaar, I want to start something in electric vehicle space. I told I have a good experience in electric vehicle space. Pushkaraj like, I know the technology, how to build it. It was just decided within a meeting of 1 hour that let's start it together. एक तासात तुम्हाला माणसाचा स्वभाव कळून जातो की याचं काय इंटेन्शन आहे, what you can do with him or not. And we decided that we are going to start a business on 17th of September. Pritesh took a flight to 21st of September to UK. त्याने ऑलरेडी मास्टर्सचं ॲडमिशन घेऊन ठेवलं होतं, जसं सगळे त्या ट्रॅकमध्ये बसतात. He took a flight to UK, but later on within just 4 months he came back. He just skipped the masters in renewable energy in UK. So that is how the journey started. And yes, like lot of people विचार करतात की भांडवल खूप लागतं, पैसा खूप लागतो. No, we started from a office of just 100 square foot, wherein just 5 to 8 team members can sit in this space. And that is how the journey started back in September 2020. The company was officially incorporated in January 2021, and it has been 2 years right now for the Revamp Moto. Now, like the question arises is from the first startup only I got to know that team is very important. We are very glad to have a founding team of 7 members who were there in the 4th year of engineering, who worked day and night in the corona period, 12 hours every day without taking a single penny from us for almost 1.5 years. And that is what conviction you should have in the founding team or the team members that you have. And we are very glad to have these 7 members who you can see in the picture. These were the 7 members and 3 of us who started this company. 4th year मध्ये होते, they knew how to build the vehicle, we knew how to take it ahead. We told them, see, if we go ahead, we will be like छुएंगे तो आसमान नहीं तो ज़मीन पे. But they trusted on us. We started building the company. It was September 2021. September 2020, in Jan 2021, we incorporated the company, built our first vehicle. So these are my co-founders, Pushkaraj and Pritesh. And we built our first vehicle in March 2021. That was our first vehicle that we built. That was a furry raw mule first prototype that we built of our vehicle. Then later on what happened? Then this journey started of Revamp Moto. We started working day and night. We got a good opportunity from a Hyderabad-based client. The opportunity was, he approached 15 OEMs in the market, but none of them responded ki मी ही गाडी तुम्हाला डेव्हलप करून देऊ शकतो. That guy was like, I will give you huge order, but you have to customize it for me and you have to only sell it to me. We told, yes, it is a good deal for us. You give us the funding, we will build it for you. We got that first opportunity in October, and then we got an opportunity to come on the Shark Tank. Now Shark Tank ABC is very famous. We were huge fans of Shark Tank ABC, right? From the first post of Shark Tank India on Instagram, we started following Shark Tank India. आणि आम्ही त्यांच्या Instagramवर जाऊन फक्त टॅग करायचो @Revamp Moto, @Revamp Moto, @Revamp Moto. Right from the day one, त्यांची पोस्ट Instagramवर दिसायला लागली तेव्हापासूनच. So we, like, people do ask like, oh, why Shark Tank and how, but we have been following Shark Tank India from the day one, and that is the reason we got to such final rounds of Shark Tank and got a such good investment over there. Then what happened? We went for the auditions. The audition was in Mumbai. जे audition 15 मिनिटं चालतात, आमचं audition चाललं for 2.5 hours. Imagine for 2.5 hours, because they were impressed that this is a startup from a tier 2 city like Nasik. It's very interesting. The story is good. The founders are good. The team is so good. So they had so many questions in hand. Literally, they asked our personal life as well. की तुझे आई वडील कोण आहे, तुमचं लग्न झालंय की नाही, हे झालंय का, ते झालंय का. They started getting into deep thing of us, and that time we realized yes, we are getting into the finals of Shark Tank. And so did happen. We went into the final tank shoot in front of the 5 sharks, and fortunately enough, it was a 3 minute of pitch. The pitch went so successful that later on we just have to wait. आम्ही फक्त बघत राहिलो and sharks were fighting for us. Literally we were like, give us a minute to talk. They were फक्त आमच्यावरती बोली लागत होती. Yes, this much for this much equity, this much for this much equity. And again, answering your question, this is not at all scripted. Everything is real. I will say some of the part is not shown on the TV. It went into very aggressive, aggressive tone on the Shark Tank platform, and we got a deal of 1 crore for 1.5%. And we raised $1 million round on the Shark Tank India platform. Like one of its kind from, I guess, Nasik, who has raised $1 million round. I guess there have been multiple startups who have raised, but first crorepati of Shark Tank and a good net, like a startup from Nasik city building such good bikes. That was the identity of Revamp Moto. Now what has happened from the Shark Tank stage? We are getting into the launch of the vehicle this month. We will be launching our first product this month. We'll soon be on the roads by December this year. And you will be able to see Revamp Moto bikes on the road by this December. In this journey, we also got a chance that by Government of India, we were selected in Commonwealth Business Forum, where we represented India in Kigali, Rwanda. And we were just one of the 5 startups selected from Government of India to be represented in Africa. So even now we are going to expand our operations in Africa 1 to 1.5 years later, because the Mitra product that we are building has a good potential in African market as well. So that is how the journey has been with Revamp Moto. I just wanted to take you through this because people do think that it is very difficult journey, it is not at all possible. But if you see from this normal journey, it is just a normal thing with you. I am not at all from a very different background. It's one of the same background that we have. But yes, we can do that. Everything is there right now. Investors are sitting in front of you. You can meet them later on. There are incubators sitting over here through angel funds. You take through the investments. And there are such good mentors right now sitting in Nasik and even online. So nothing is difficult right now. It's just that you should have that guts for the execution, and you can do dreams and dreams possible.